Hey you guys, so I'm back with this new look for spring. I used the Smug Beauty Color Me Beautiful palette and the highlighter palette for this look. So the first step is the eyebrows. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills and Chocolate. Next, for concealer, I'm going to be using medium beige in LA Colors. So what I do is I use my finger just to blend it in. I don't like using a brush, I'd rather use my finger instead. So because medium beige is a little bit too light for me, I like to put it underneath my foundation so it's not too dramatic. Next is the Color Me Beautiful palette. I'm going to take this baby pink color and put it underneath my brow. Next, I'm going to take the shade right next to it, which is kind of like a magenta, like a pink and a purple, and I'm putting that right underneath the baby pink. Next, I want to take this lavender color and I'm going to put it halfway on my crease and then add in the bright yellow on top. decided to angle it on my crease instead of putting it halfway just to add a pop of color. Put that same lavender shade and go halfway, about the same length as the yellow is. I'm going to go in with the lavender, and I decided to change my mind about putting yellow at the bottom, and I went in with teal instead. So this is a mascara that I will be selling very soon. I just decided to use this in this tutorial. I'm just going to do a thin line of eyeliner. I actually hate this eyeliner so much, but I still have not gotten my Black Radiance eyeliner yet. My skin has been very dry lately, so I am just adding this oil to my lips and my face before I put on my Fenty Beauty Foundation, and it is shade 410. So I'm going to go in with my Ben Nye setting powder, and I don't bake anymore. I just lightly put it on and put it all over my face instead of just the highlighted areas. So the next step is the setting spray and the Smug Beauty highlighting palette, and then your look is ready to go.